Good morning, students. In this class, we will discuss about some of the input devices. Some of the input devices. The first one is keyboard. The first one is keyboard. We all know that keyboard is a input device. Okay, it is used to give input to the computer. It is used to give input to the computer. Okay, in keyboard you have 84 keys or 101 or 102 keys in olden days. Okay, 84 keys or 101, 102 keys in olden days. But now 104 to 108 keys is available. But now 104 to 108 keys is available keyboard. Okay, keyboard is an input device. It is used to give input to the computer. It has 84 keys or 101, 102 keys in olden days. But now we have 104 to 108 keys. Okay, and there are many different types of keys in keyboard. Okay, different types of keys in keyboard. So the first one is typing. The first one is typing. That A to Z or 0 to 9. Alphabets or numeric keys. Alphabets or numeric keys. The second one is function keys. Function keys. There are 12 keys in function keys. There are 12 keys in function. It will represent as F1, F2, F3 up to F12. Okay, these are the function keys. The third one is control keys. Third one is control keys. Some of the examples are arrow keys. Arrow keys. For example, what are the arrow keys? Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and then right arrow. I am right? Yes. What are the arrow keys? Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. And then delete key. Delete key, insert key, escape key, control key, and then alternate key. Alternate key. Okay, these are the control keys. What are they? Arrow keys, delete keys, insert key, escape key, control key, and then alternate key. The fourth one is special purpose keys. Special purpose keys. Okay, what are they? Caps lock, enter, shift, space bar, tab, and then print screen. Okay, these are the special purpose keys. What are they? Caps lock, enter, shift, space bar, tab, and then print screen. Okay, these are the different types of keys in keyboard. The second input device is mouse. The second input key is mouse. It is used to control the position of the cursor. Okay, it is used to control the position of the cursor on the screen. Okay, but it cannot able to type any letter. Okay, it cannot able to type any letter or numbers. The only purpose is used to control the position of the cursor on the screen. Okay, cannot able to type letters or numbers. It has 3 buttons. First one is left button. Second one is right button. The third one is scroll button. Okay, left, right, and then scroll. And then the third one is joystick. Third one is joystick. It is a pointing device. It is a pointing device. It is used to move the cursor position on the monitor screen. It is used to move the cursor position. Move the cursor position on a monitor screen. Okay, can be moved in 4 directions. Can be moved in 4 directions. Okay, left, right, up and down. Left, right, up and down. So what is joystick? It is an input device and it's a pointing device. It is also known as pointing device. It is used to move the cursor position on the monitor screen. Okay, it can be moved in 4 direction. Okay, this is the image of joystick. This is the image for joystick. Okay, and then the next one is light pen. The fourth one is light pen. Okay, it is used to draw pictures on the monitor screen. It is used to draw the pictures on the monitor screen. Okay, draw the pictures. It is used to draw the pictures on the monitor screen. And this is the image for light pen. This is the image for light pen. Okay, and then the fifth one is trackball. Fifth one is trackball. The trackball is mostly used in notebook or laptop. Okay, it is used in notebook or laptop. And the shapes of the trackball is, there are 3 different shapes. Okay, the first one is ball, second one is button, and the third one is square. These are the different shapes of trackball. Trackball is used on notebook or laptop computers. It has the shapes are 3 types. The first one is ball, the second one is button, and the third one is square. And this is the image for trackball. This is the image for trackball. Okay, and then the next one is microphone. The next one is microphone. The sixth one is microphone. It is used to adding sound to the multimedia presentation. It is used to adding sound to a multimedia presentation. Or for a mixing music. Can be used in a mixing music. Microphone means it's just a mic only. It's just a mic. In computer, it's in very small size. In computer or laptop, it's in very small size. Okay. This is the image for mic. This is the image for mic. But it is inserted in laptop or in computer in very small size. This is microphone. Microphone is used to, what is the use of microphone? Used to add sound to a multimedia presentation or a mixing music. Okay, and then the seventh one is barcode reader. Seventh one is barcode reader. It is used to read the barcode data. Read the barcode data. It is used in labeling goods, numbering the books. Okay, it is used in labeling books or in numbering the labeling goods or in numbering the books. In supermarket also, it's the barcode is used. In supermarket also the barcode is used. This is the image for barcode. It will scan this barcode and it will enter the amount automatically. It will enter the amount automatically. This is the use of barcode reader. Okay, it is used to read the barcode data. Okay, thank you all.